Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today we are going to learn how to move layers in Embrilliance. Recently, I did another video with this exact file. As you can see, it has 4 different layers, but it doesn't make sense to me why they did this. So if you press this little arrow, you'll see every single layer. When you click on each layer, it will highlight that particular stitch out. It just creates more work when you have a single needle machine. And since the 24/7 is more in the middle, it doesn't really help either to split the design if that's what they were going for. So we're going to move the layers. So all you need to do is click on the layer that you want to move, right click it, and these options will appear. It'll say move earlier, move later, move first, or move last. In this case, we're going to move later. And now you'll see all of the red stitches are together and the black outline is all together. Now we only have to change our thread once after the initial threading of the machine. In order to see what we have changed, you can click this little needle button right here. This is a simulation tool. And once you press play, it'll show how the machine is going to stitch out the design. Now we want to save this so we don't have to redo it every single time we reopen it. So I'm just going to go to File, Save Stitch File As, because this isn't a file that we're going to be customizing. But you can save it as a stitch file and working file if you want to. Save it as Overthinker 24/7. Then I'm going to go back to my desktop and I'm going to move the files I just saved, the working file and the stitch file, into the file with the original files in it. So that way you have the regular one and the new one. Open up the new one. And as you can see, there's only the 2 layers now. Look at that! It's a miracle! You don't have to press stop and go so many times because it's not 4 separate layers, it's only 2 now. Alright guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and let me know down below if you have anything that you would like to learn in Embrilliance that I might be able to help you with. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!